Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the inscription of a circle in a triangle. So now let's say we are doing a triangle of 50 millimeter all round, that is an equivalent triangle of 50 millimeter on all sides. So now we are going to be taking 50 millimeter, let's say from this point 30 here to point 35 would be our points A to B, would be point A to B. So from here we use our compass to take the distance between this 5 millimeter, this 50 millimeter here, and then we mark it up. We mark it up here with a soft line, and we take it from B to, we mark it there. So now that point at which we mark, it will be called our point C. So now our point C, we are going to be ruling it from the point at which it meets to point A. We take it straight, and this point B here, we take it straight to point C. So now we have already have our triangle. What is left is putting our circle inside our triangle. So now in order to put our circle inside our triangle, that is the inscription, we have to bisect our angles. So now bisection of angles is easy. We just pick a very small angle like this, and then we put it here. We can put it somewhere like this. Get some angle. Let's say something like this. Angle, put it on angle A, and uh, put it on angle A and draw. After putting it on angle A and drawing, we are going to put it on angle B. Put it on angle B and draw. So now we have put the first arc on A and B, and now to bisect it, we are going to be putting something longer or shorter, any amount. We are just going to make sure that any distance of this, that's what we are going to be using to bisect it. So any distance we are going to be using, we are not going to have to be changing it. It must be constant. So now if this is the distance we are using here, we pick this one, then we pick one point of the arc here, and then we mark it in the front. We pick the second point of the arc there, and then we mark it here. So now that point at which the line meets is from where we are going to be dragging it. So right from here to that point where the two lines are meeting, that is, yes, we have bisected the first angle. And now for the second angle, we can do the same too. We pick it from this point here, and then from this other point too, we are going to be picking it and marking it. So while picking it and marking it, we will take it that way up to this point here, which is point A. So now we have gotten the center of the circle. All we have to do is to draw our circle. So now since we have gotten the center, that is where the two lines meet, we will just pick the center right here and try to get the edge at which the thing matches. So yes, from this edge now, the thing matches perfectly. So we are just going to be drawing our circle. Yes, we are going to be drawing our circle. So now this here is the inscription of a circle in a triangle.